Hey there, welcome to Will, the easiest documentation and training tool out there. In the next 2 to 3 minutes, I will be touring the Will software with you, showing you some of its capabilities and challenges we help solve. First of all, Will acts as your company's single source of truth. It will help you centralize, organize, and keep all of your information up to date as you start sharing it with your team. If you already have a lot of resources built, perfect. Our team can help you migrate all of that in Will for you and build a foundation to get started from. If you're just getting started with your documentation journey, we can help and assist with templates, build out structure, or again, our team that can share a lot of methods as to do this quickly and efficiently. Will is a great place to centralize all of your team's processes and SOPs, but can also act as your central repository for training materials, tool manuals, assets, and so much more. As we dive into one of these playbooks, we'll see that documentation lives on what we call cards. They are bite-sized nuggets of information that can hold your best practices, step-by-step instructions, guidelines, and so on. Information can be built with just text, but you can also add images, videos, use our built-in screen recorder, or leverage some of our integrations to pull in your existing documents, presentation sheets, and more. Once you're ready with all of that content, you can assign a topic owner and set a review cycle as to make sure all of this remain relevant over time. Next, once you're ready to share this with your team, you'll be able to leverage some of our automations like learning journeys, which allows you to ramp up new hires more quickly and in a streamlined fashion. Alex right here has 3 training assignments waiting for him as a new hire, welcome him to the company, and then training him on some role-specific processes and finally quizzing him on that information. As he dives into these assignments, he'll be asked to mark them as complete, as to be able to progress to other topics, and at the same time reflect his progress in the reporting. So step by step, your people will get aligned, be on the same page, new hires will ramp up more quickly, and at all time, Will acts as a reference point to specific information. So with just a couple of simple searches, people will be able to find the knowledge that drives them forwards. Finally, in the analytics, we'll be able to track multiple things from assignments to how well our experts are reviewing information to even search patterns. All of that will lead to better decisions and being able to hold people accountable. So that's Will in a nutshell. I hope this was helpful and I look forward to seeing you in Will.